Food retailers are an extremely critical component of the food supply ecosystem in the country. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India was faced with the challenge of ensuring uninterrupted supply of food services and of facilitating food businesses. We depended on food retailers and they rose to the occasion in a splendid manner. On behalf of FSSAI, I acknowledge the contribution of food retailers in facilitating and ensuring smooth supply of essential commodities despite the risks posed by COVID-19. My thanks and appreciation to the efforts of the entire industry, especially to the food soldiers, delivery boys, and front desk executives who are responsible for seamless procuring, transporting, retailing, and delivering, making food available to consumers at the retail outlets or delivering at their food steps. The COVID-19 pandemic has once again underscored the need for safe and hygienic food practices in the country. As we are aware, more than 100 million instances of foodborne diseases take place in our country every year. This number can be substantially reduced if safe hygienic practices are followed throughout the food value chain. Retailers have a crucial role to play in this regard. As we progress forward, I expect the retail sector to continue adopting necessary protocols for food safety, hygiene, and sanitation practices at their premises and outlets, and to nominate their staff and officers for the COVID-19 training as part of our FOSTAC program. I would like to place on record my appreciation for the numerous efforts of the Retail Association of India to work cohesively as a unified voice of Indian retailers and for creating the right environment for the growth of the retail industry in India. Thank you.